Hello guys, welcome back to Techdose, and in this video we will understand isolation from the acid model. In order to understand isolation, I have created 3 different transaction examples. The first example here showcases only a single transaction where we have a variable x, and the first operation which we want to do is set the value of x to 50. So we want to write the value of x equals to 50. After this, when we actually read the value of x, then the value is 50, which is equals to the expected value, because whenever we write something, then we start expecting the same value for the same variable if we are running the transaction independently. Now let us look at another scenario, which is the second example. Here I have created 2 transactions, T1 and T2. In this case, again T1 first tries to write the value of x equals to 50. After this, let's say that T2 is also working on the same variable and it reads the value of x which is equals to 50 Now T2 writes the value of x, so it is overwriting the value to 20. And after this, let's say T1 tries to read the value of x. In this case, what T1 is expecting is the value should be equals to 50, because T1 expects that it is the only transaction which is running and there is no other transaction which is running in parallel, right? So the expected value for x should be 50, but in this case T1 receives a value of 20. Which is quite weird, because this gives a hint that somebody else is also working concurrently on the same variable. So you can imagine that this is creating interference for T1, right? Now let us understand the third example, T1 and T2. Again, there are 2 transactions, but the difference is, in this case T1 first writes the value of x equals to 50 and then reads, which is again the value read will be 50, which is the same as the expected value, and then T1 commits. So T1 is totally done. Now see the transaction T2. It reads the value of x which will be equals to 50 and then overwrites the value to 20. So there is no inconsistency. Actually T1 and T2 happens in a serial order. First T1 happens entirely and then T2 happens. So none of these transactions will have any interference from each other. So this group of transactions is without interference. The first one which I had shown, where there was only one transaction, was definitely without interference because there were no more transactions which were running. In the second example, we had interference, and in the third transaction, we do not have any interference. So seeing these 3 examples, we understand that isolation guarantees multiple transactions to occur independently without interference. So if you look at the third example, it is as good as saying that T1 happens alone and after that T2 happens alone, as if there is no connection between them, right? So this is the meaning of isolation. More discussions related to these conflicts will be discussed in our later videos. I hope this was helpful. I would like to announce about our live training programs, Data Structures and Algorithms, which is Interview Dose, and System Design, which is Design Dose. If you are looking for making a switch from service to product based, or even make a product based to product based top tier switch and aiming for your dream company, this is the best curriculum you can ever join. I'll be your mentor throughout the cohort and I will help you clear all your doubts in the one-on-one sessions. You can know more about this by querying us on the WhatsApp number, or you can also visit our website techdose.co.in. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more such system design videos. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.